In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game SaGa Frontier 2 Remastered on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones, plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses. And nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So the first step is to open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game first on Steam and then we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website and of course search for the game SaGa Frontier 2 Remastered and select it. After that scroll a little bit down and as you can see this game is on Steam available from €29.99. But we got a little workaround, so what you need to do is select the link in the video description and then you need to go to this website. So when we are there we will select this game and search for it, and after that select games on the left side. Now sort by price lowest first, and as you can see we can already download this game for just €27.06 instead of €29.99. And that is how you save yourself a bit of money while downloading games online. Once you have downloaded the game, you are able to play it on your PC. Please follow the steps in the confirmation mail, including the activation key or account to activate this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!